Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to learn how to automatically move emails to a specific folder so that your inbox stays clean and organized without doing a thing. So let's just get started. Start by opening your browser or go to your email application directly. So I'm just gonna go to gmail.com or this one right here and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once you are here, what you can do is you can look out for the gear icon in the top right corner and select it. And once you select it, you can look out for this option called See All Settings and click on it. After you click on it, here you will be finding different options. Now what you can do is you can basically look out for the option of filters and block the addresses tab. Click on it. And here you'll be finding this option. Now what you can do is you can basically go ahead and create up a new filter if you want to do so. So you can go ahead and click on this option of creating filter, or just select this option, create a new filter, and select it. And here you can just go over and check the option skip. You can just go over and type in from home. You can add in, check the option, skip the inbox, archive it if you have that option available. And then once you add it from whom and to, you can filter out which email you would like to create up in a folder. And you can select up your size as well, and has the words and does not have. And you can select this option, does not include chat, don't include, and select has attachment. Once you do so, once you filter it out, you can select this option of create filter and confirm it up. And when you do, it will basically go ahead and any email matching your role will automatically move to your selected folder, which should be available like this here. And you will be finding the matches and the filters will be available. And that is it. Now I've set up automatic email sorting, no more messy inbox. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe and comment. And thank you for watching this video.